Garmin Fusion Apollo Amplifier. 1800 watt marine beast or overhyped stereo bling? Full review. Let's be real. Your boat audio setup is probably letting you down. Whether you're stuck with weak bass, distorted highs, or speakers that barely whisper over engine noise, you're feeling that constant frustration every trip. Ever cranked up your stereo only for it to sound like a dying blender? Yeah, we feel you. Bad amps kill good music, stealing your vibe and sucking your energy. You start dreading tunes at sea. What a waste, right? If you're stuck in that sad loop of underwhelming sound, scratchy distortion, and drained batteries, it's time to admit it. Your current setup isn't just failing, it's embarrassing. Now, picture this. You're hosting a yacht party, guests are vibing, and your speakers die mid-track. Instant buzzkill. Missed beats, lost bass drops, awkward silence. Worse? Your batteries drain dry. Game over. Unmanageable audio chaos, mounting stress, and pure frustration. You're supposed to be living that luxury life, not battling weak amps and rewiring mid-cruise. Every moment of poor sound is a missed chance to own the moment. And once those speakers falter, your entire vibe sinks faster than your mood. Harsh? Absolutely. True. You know it. Enter the Garmin Fusion Apollo 1800 watt, 6-channel marine amplifier, your ultimate audio lifesaver. This isn't just power, it's pure dominance. With 1800 watts of peak muscle and 150 watt RMS per channel, you're not just hearing the music, you're feeling it in your bones. Paired with the legendary Easy Tune feature and optimized for Fusion DSP-enabled stereos, it literally tunes itself for you. No manual fiddling, no guesswork. And it's built for the ocean with Garmin's true marine design. Think high-performance power, zero distortion, and that deep, rich bass drop you've been chasing. Finally, a setup worthy of your boat. Get ready to experience audio like never before. We're talking longer play times, battery-saving efficiency, and zero distortion even when blasting full volume. Whether it's a casual cruise or a full-on ocean rave, the Apollo 1800 watt powers up to 6 pairs of speakers or 4 pairs and a thumping subwoofer. Setup's a breeze, thanks to included brackets and the Fusion Link app. This amp doesn't just power your tunes, it revolutionizes your entire marine audio game. Want deep bass, crystal clear mids, and highs so sharp they cut the sea breeze? Then stick around, your upgrade starts here. Now's your moment to leave average behind. Don't let weak sound sink your next trip. Thousands of boaters have already made the switch, why haven't you? Stock is limited, and demand is skyrocketing. Secure your Garmin Fusion Apollo amplifier now. Stop settling for background noise when you could command attention. Buy today. Feel every beat. Dominate the waves. Your soundtrack deserves it. Don't wait, power your adventure before supplies vanish.